Hey everyone, welcome to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you how to reset your Firestick remote. If your remote isn't responding or acting up, a reset might just be the solution you need. Stick around to learn the quick and easy steps to get your Firestick remote working like new again. Step 1. Check batteries. The first thing you'll want to do is check the batteries. Sometimes, the simplest solution is the best one. Make sure the batteries in your Firestick remote are properly inserted and have enough power. If they're low or dead, replace them with fresh batteries. Step 2. Restart your Firestick. If your remote still isn't working after changing the batteries, the next step is to restart your Firestick device. This can sometimes resolve connectivity issues between the remote and the Firestick. Here's how you can do it. Navigate to the settings menu on your Firestick. Scroll down and select My Fire TV or device. Choose Restart and confirm your action. Step 3. Reset the Firestick remote. If restarting the Firestick didn't solve the problem, the next step is to reset the remote itself. Here's how you can do it. Hold down the home button, back button, and the left side of the navigation circle simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Release the buttons when the light on your Firestick remote flashes rapidly. Step 4. Repair the remote. Once the remote has been reset, you'll need to repair it with your Firestick. Follow these steps. Navigate to the settings menu on your Firestick. Select controllers and Bluetooth devices and then Amazon Fire TV remotes. Choose Add New Remote and press and hold the home button on your remote for about 10 seconds until it pairs. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your Firestick remote should now be reset and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.